Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Bull Bay, and Bull Bay starts in the parish of St. Andrew and goes into St. Thomas. So we're taking a tour of this section of the Southern Coastal Highway, and this is our first tour since the passing of Hurricane Beryl. So this section was built by China Harbour Engineering Company, and it has no major damage from the hurricane. You have some dirt and debris that washed onto the road, but those can be cleaned up easily with a shovel and a broom. So this section of the road did very well when there's no damage from the passing of the hurricane. Tomorrow we'll put up a video of the section from this section. I checked, it goes from Harborview to Yalos, and then from Yalos tomorrow the local contractors did those sections, so we'll take a look at those sections to see how they stood up to the hurricane wind and rain. So this is Bull Bay. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. Also, let us know what you think about this section of the road and how well it did under the hurricane conditions. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.